How much is this? دا پسو دی. How much is this? Don't charge too much. सेवा ما अहला. Don't charge too much. Show me another one. بل راته وښیه. Show me another one. Don't hide the price. قیمت مه پټوه. Don't hide the price. Pack it nicely. ښه ونغاړه. Pack it nicely. Don't tear the bag. bag مه څیرې کوه. Don't tear the bag. Give me fresh fruits. مال تازه میوې راکا. Give me fresh fruits. Don't give rotten ones. څښا مه راکوه. Don't give rotten ones. Reduce the price. قیمت کم کړه. Reduce the price. Don't argue too much. زیات بحث مه کوه. Don't argue too much. Weigh the vegetables. سبزیانې وتله. Weigh the vegetables. Don't cheat and wait. په وزن کې دوکه مه کوه. Don't cheat and wait. Wrap it in paper. دا په کاغذ کې ونغاړه. Wrap it in paper. Don't put it in plastic. دا په پلاستیک کې مه اچوه. Don't put it in plastic. Give me a bottle of milk. مال د پیو بوتل راکړه. Give me a bottle of milk. Don't mix water in it. په دې کې اوبه مه میلاوه. Don't mix water in it. Write the bill. bill ولیکه. Write the bill. Don't forget the change. بقایا مه هیروه. Don't forget the change. Where is the counter? counter چرته دی. Where is the counter? Don't push in the line. په قطار کې دکه مه ورکوه. Don't push in the line. Show me the shoes. ما ته پیزار وښیه. Show me the shoes. Don't give me the wrong size. مال غلط سایز مه راکوه. Don't give me the wrong size. Try this shirt. دا کمیس وازمیا. Try this shirt. Don't force me to buy. ما په اغوستلو مه مجبوروه. Don't force me to buy. Give me a discount. ما سره رعایت وکړه. Give me a discount. Close the door. ور بند کړه. Close the door. Don't slam the door. ور په زوره مه بندوه. Don't slam the door. Switch on the light. بتی ولګوه. Switch on the light. Don't waste electricity. بجلی مه ضایع کوه. Don't waste electricity. Clean the table. میز صفا کړه. Clean the table. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE1 سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.